Hi, welcome to the Testimonial Maker demo. The first screen you're going to see when you log in is the welcome screen with testimonials and referrals summary. The key objectives obviously for the system is to generate good quality testimonials and referrals easily. There's a couple of items that we need to use to set up the company details before we can actually start to send testimonial requests. So if we look at this, the whole system is based on simple form fields, and when you're set up you'll have your company name, the main email address and the web address for where you're going to put your testimonials on your own website. Now this is going to power the test or preview site button, so it's just any page that contains the testimonials, so you can have a look, see how it's appearing on your site. You'll have been set up a password, but here you can change any of the details, including questions 1, 2, 3 and 4. Now when you get the software out of the box, you'll find 4 generic customer survey type questions. You can change any of those questions to be questions that will give you as little or as much feedback as you want from your customers based on your particular requirements. The site integration tab, quite an important tab. This is going to affect the way your testimonial displays. You can see here we can choose the font, the size and the color. Because on this customer the font color is white, it's not showing up currently, so we're going to change that now to black and save the changes, and you can see how the testimonial will look. With all things, we get the successful change bar coming up at the top there, so we can just hide that message. It's just a notification for our own purposes. So in this screen we change how the text is going to look, and then down the bottom here it's for website integration in terms of the actual code that your developer will need to integrate into your website. Any problems with this, of course you can call us and we can help to integrate the system fully into your site. It really is quite simple, and as we change items in these input fields, you'll see that down here the code required changes. So if we suddenly have a height, let's say of 500, we can update the code, hide the message, and down here you'll see that the height is 500. The system has got a CSS editor. Now this is definitely, I would say, for advanced users, but what it allows your website developer to do is fully customize the look of the site. So in here your developer can really fine-tune how that testimonial should look on your site using the full CSS style codes. So that's the site integration tab. So the first part in the testimonial generating process is to send out the request. Again, you'll see the whole thing is based on very simple to use web forms. So we enter in your client's details in the contact details box. And it really is that simple. We can now submit the request. You'll notice down here we're using the standard 4 questions. We can't actually edit those on this page. That's back for the company details page. Now when we submit the request, again we get a confirmation message, and we can hide that message, and we'll see when we go back to the admin home that we now have a testimonial pending. Send a request to a client, the system will generate an automatic email, very simple, just asking the client to go and give you some feedback, a simple link there, we log in, all automated, and once again presented with simple form-based details to fill in. So here we have the questions that you've chosen in your company details set up, sent through, then with the final box which is testimonial, and the client just enters the details there. So for example, we could say we heard about urban media through the website, and Did we provide good value? Yes, very good. How well did the team communicate with you? And the team communicated well. Could we improve the service? And it may be that they wanted a faster turnaround. Testimonial, of course, is free field and gives your client the opportunity to say all those great things about you. And I'm sure your clients will come up with something a little bit more creative, but it's so easy to do the submitting of a testimonial. Now this is a great time to ask your clients who else they know that might benefit from your services, and this is the make a referral form. Really simple again. They can simply enter the name, the email address, and the company. Click on add referral. So since your client was happy enough to refer you to one of their contacts, an email again is automatically generated, and it's addressed to the referral contact, and mentions you, the company, that you've done some work for your client, that your client was happy, includes the testimonial that they gave you, and a link back to your website. A great way of getting introductions, really easy for your customer and really easy for you to generate referrals. As a result of your client's testimonial and referral, you've got some work here to do. You can have a look at the testimonial pending. We have a look at this and click on edit, and we can see the feedback that the customer has given us, and also the testimonial. Now we can choose to make that testimonial live, and that will then start appearing on the website. Not until you mark a testimonial live will it appear on your website. That of course gives you the final say over whether you display the comments your customer has made, and it's only the testimonial field that will be made public. The 4 other fields are just used for your feedback in order for you to know what you're getting right and where you can improve your service. Go back to the admin home. The client has very kindly provided a referral, and we can have a look and see who that referral is, so that we can catch up with them and send an email to them and get in touch. We can mark that testimonial and referral as read, and we just hide the message, and once again we can see all of the referrals in a list and choose to delete once we've dealt with. The system is very simple to use, not only for you but also for your clients and the people they might refer to you. The final piece of the jigsaw is just to preview the site. This gives you an overview of the testimonials that have just been added for you, and here we can see the testimonial we've just added in the demo from Ultimate Urban IT, and that really is how simple Testimonial Maker is. And thanks for viewing the demo now of Testimonial Maker. Just to recap the 2 key benefits, Testimonial Maker is really simple to use. Everything you've seen is based on filling in very straightforward web forms, very quick, very easy to use. And we think that it really takes the time and effort out of collecting testimonials and referrals from your clients. So that was the Testimonial Maker demonstration. Remember, we'd really like to encourage you to pass on Testimonial Maker to your contacts, and as such we've introduced the affiliate and partner scheme, allowing you to benefit from Testimonial Maker, first of all free of charge, and secondly potentially earn revenue from Testimonial Maker. So the affiliate scheme is very simple. If you introduce 5 people to Testimonial Maker, then your license for the program is free of charge. Remember, any license is for unlimited use of the system. Introduce just 10 people and we start to pay you a commission on everybody who you introduce. Just to help you out, on every email that's sent out through the system, you'll see the Testimonial Maker link at the bottom and the View This Testimonial Maker demo. We're collecting all of that information, so should your clients and your contacts click on those links, we're going to know about that and start to build that into your affiliate scheme automatically. So the final referral from us would be, who do you know who could use Testimonial Maker? We'd love to provide the system to you free of charge, or even start to pay you commissions based on the number of people that you introduce to Testimonial Maker.